Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically create social media posts from articles for free in 2025. This is a huge time saver if you run a blog, manage a business page, or just want to repurpose your content across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. So let's get started. First, head over to Gemini AI from Google. This tool is free to use and works great for turning long-form articles into short, ready-to-post content. Once you're in Gemini, paste the article text or drop the link to your blog post. Now in the prompt box, type something like, turn this article into 3 engaging social media posts. Make one for LinkedIn, one for Instagram, and one for Twitter. Keep them short, eye-catching, and include relevant hashtags. Gemini will instantly generate polished social posts tailored for each platform. You can even ask it to include emojis, bullet points, or a call to action like read more on our website. If you want variety, just say, give me 5 different post versions from this article. That way, you'll have options to test and schedule throughout the week. Once you're happy with the results, copy the text and post it directly, or use a free scheduler like Buffer or Hootsuite to automate posting across all your accounts. And that's it. You've just learned how to create social media posts from articles automatically in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more free AI tutorials.